1.2 million views. Then another video hit 846,000 views. Then 621,000 more. And it didn't stop there. Video after video kept pulling in hundreds of thousands of views. What's even more surprising? These videos are built almost entirely with AI-generated anime art, using a platform called PixAI. And this is not some small tool. PixAI has absolutely exploded in popularity, especially in Japan, with over 15 million registered users and even reaching #1 in the Japan App Store graphics and design category. A channel called Prestige, launched in 2025, got over 14 million total view and has already grown to over 50,000 subscribers by creating this type of content, proving there's a massive audience for high-quality AI anime videos. So here's the question, how are they doing it? In this video, I'll show you the complete workflow, from generating stunning anime characters to turning them into smooth AI animations using one of the best anime-focused AI tools available today. You don't need to know how to draw. You don't need expensive software, and you definitely don't need years of experience. Watch this videos just created. So if you're ready to learn the exact process step by step, let's dive right in. Step 1. Open PixAI and start creating. Go to PixAI and create your free account. Once inside, enter your idea in the prompt box. For example, cyberpunk anime princess, neon visor, futuristic street fashion, raven hair with electric blue accents, piercing amethyst eyes, cyberpunk city reflection, ultra-sharp line work, volumetric studio lighting. Click Generate and let PixAI create your anime character. Within seconds, PixAI generate your character. Step 2. Create anime images. To choose the best animation model, click Show More Models to browse the full model library. There are a lot of available options. Select Haruka V2, then click Use this model. Next, set the aspect ratio to landscape 16:9 and click Confirm. Change the number of images to 4 so PixAI generates multiple variations in a single run. Now, open the LoRa Marketplace, browse the available styles, and choose a LoRa that best matches the look you're going for. Click Confirm Selection to apply it to your generation settings. Finally, click Generate. Within a few moments, PixAI will create 4 high-quality anime images, giving you multiple versions to compare and choose from. Step 3. Animate your images. Choose image you want animate, then click Video, and upload the anime image you created. Start frame and end frame image. Add a motion prompt to describe how you want your character to move. For example, cyberpunk girl adjusting her neon visor, wind blowing through hair, subtle digital glitches in the background, smooth cinematic camera movement, fluid anime animation. Click Generate Video, and PixAI will transform your static anime image into a short animated video. You can now create anime clips, character showcases, and storytelling videos directly from your generated artwork. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've gone from a simple idea to a fully designed anime character and even transformed it into a short animated video using PixAI. No drawing skills, no complicated software, just pure creative control powered by AI. If you want to try this yourself, you can start for free. Just check the link in the description and explore PixAI on your own. And if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and let me know what kind of anime character you want to create next. Because once you start using this, it's honestly hard to stop.